speak it, write it, sing it, comment it, reach across the world.
Alam niyo ba na ang kwento natin ngayon ay tungkol sa isang takot na tuta? Do you want to hear the story?
Yes!
Listen, listen, I have a story. What is my story about? Listen, listen, I have a story. What is the story? What is my story about? This is Pipa. And this is Onyok. Tungkol sa dalawang magkaibigan ito, ang kwento natin ngayon. Kayo ba, meron din kaibigan?
Opo!
Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari sa kanilang dalawa. Are you ready for our story?
Yes!
The title of our story is Pipa and Onyok by Andrea Guevara de los Reyes. Simulan na natin. Pipa and Onyok are best friends. One day, Pipa said, "Come to our cat party, Onyok." "But I am a puppy," said Onyok. "That's okay. You are my best friend," said Pipa. So Pipa and Onyok went to the party. There, Onyok saw a big cat. He was afraid. Who is she?" Onyok asked Pipa. "She is Estrelita. She is my cousin. She is a teacher." Then Onyok saw another big cat. He was more afraid. Who is she?" Onyok asked Pipa. "She is Maria. She is my sister. She is a policewoman." Then Onyok saw one more big cat. He was more and more afraid. Who is he?
Meow. Meow.
He is Manolito. He is my grandfather. He is a carpenter. Then Onyok saw a very, very big cat, and he was very, very afraid. Who is he?
Meow. Meow. Meow.
He is Paulito. He is my father. He is a doctor. Onyok was very afraid. I want to go home, Pipa. Just then, Onyok saw another cat in front of him. Hello, I am Alicia. I am 1 year old. I like to dance. Onyok smiled. I am Onyok. I am 1 year old too. I like to dance too. Come, let's dance, said Alicia. So Onyok and Alicia danced at the cat party. They talked and danced and talked and danced. Soon, Onyok was not afraid of the big cats anymore. Buti na lang pala nakilala nitong si Onyok si Alicia, no? At nagkwentuhan pa sila at saka sumayaw sila, nagsayawan silang dalawa.
Oo nga, nawala tuloy ang takot ni Onyok.
At hindi lamang yon, naging dalawa tuloy yung kaibigan ni Onyok, si Pipa at si Alicia.
Reach